Did it happen to us to have the perception that the negotiation was amazing? That a meeting with a customer, with a supplier was absolutely flawless? We left the table being sure that everything was solved and that a wonderful signature would have landed on the contract. But then suddenly something happened afterwards. And why? Because maybe we didn't consider that the way we analyze what happens on or our maps are not the same territories of the people we are meeting. And we need to take into consideration that a lot depends by the cultures we are crossing. For instance, if we are meeting people coming from Far East that are not confrontational, they are very often kind, they are positively assertive, they try to avoid open conflicts, and at the same time they try to say yes and to agree with a lot of politeness. While this not necessarily reflects with the real point of view they may have. For instance, if we do the same with someone coming from the United States, they are pretty straight. And if we meet people from the northern part of Europe, they can be at the same time very polite and respectful, but also cutting. If we meet people from the Mediterranean countries, everything may look even joyful at some point, but it doesn't mean that we're going to sign anything. Or people from South America and Brazil, it can be that our counterparts are very open, very positively communicative, that the body language says we are getting there, while in the end of the day it doesn't happen or it takes so long. Therefore, we need to be ready. Our toolkit must be full of information concerning the cultures we're going to meet. I'm Domiziano Pontone and the Chief Corporate Sales Officer at GI Group Holding. And if you want to know more about negotiating and influencing, I invite you to go to the website www.cabl.ca.